Welcome back, viewers. Today we are back with another dose of home decor inspiration. In this video, we are focusing on the heart of the home, the kitchen. Get ready to elevate your space with over 100 brand new summer farmhouse kitchen decorating ideas. All centered around the sunny hues of yellow and the zestiness of lemons. From simple touches to full-blown makeovers, we have got it all covered. Whether you are a dye enthusiast or just looking for some easy styling tips, there is something here for everyone. So in this video, we are serving up our delightful farmhouse decor ideas tailored for the sunny season. Picture warm yellows, refreshing lemons, and a whole lot of charm. From easy dye projects to clever styling tips, we have got everything you need to infuse your kitchen with that cozy, rustic feel. So grab a lemonade and join us on this journey to transform your kitchen into a summer oasis. We have got 100 fresh ideas to spruce up your kitchen, all centered around sunny yellows and zesty lemons. Think cozy vibes, rustic charm, and plenty of dye projects to add that special touch to your space. From subtle hints of sunshine to bold bursts of citrus, we have got something for every style. So join us as we transform your kitchen into a summer paradise. So in this video, we have curated over 100 fresh summer farmhouse kitchen decorating ideas, focusing on vibrant yellow and lemon themed decor to infuse your space with warmth and cheer. From sunny accents to charming lemon motifs, we have compiled a plethora of inspiring ways of elevate your kitchen this season. Dive into a world of cozy, rustic charm as we explore various styling techniques, color palettes, and dye projects tailored to embrace the essence of summertime living. Whether you are aiming for a subtle hint of sunshine or a bold burst of citrus-inspired flair, there is something for every taste and preference. Join us on this creative journey as we reimagine your kitchen into a delightful heaven of summer vibes and timeless farmhouse allure. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we hope you feel inspired to embark on your own kitchen decor adventures.